Today we are going to look at a program which is going to help us to do box and whiskers and get dot plots. First we need to do is open student shared resource, look for mathematics 2015 201. You will find the INzight program, open that. Now scroll at the bottom, second last, say start, double click, open that. Now you may have to wait for a while for the whole system to start. You will get this screen on the right hand top. Do not close that, please. It will enable the program to run, so you have to wait for a little while. And if you are using it for the first time, it will take a little longer time. What we are interested in is the top half or menu. Do not worry about anything on the VIT. So run INzight, open that. Again, you'll have to wait for a while. First time it will take longer. Once we use it more regularly, it will be more faster. Now we have this window appearing on your screen. At this stage, this space here is blank, and I'm just going to reduce the size. We have file, dataset, variables, plot, advanced, help. Now we are going to practice getting the box and whiskers first. So we need to get to file and import data. This is a practical. We are going to look at doing this. So once you press import, you'll get this screen. Press open, another screen appears. Now from here you can import data from anywhere you have got, but in this case we have our data set in the data, and we're going to look at census school. Open that and brings you back to the same screen. Now if you notice, there's an address there. This is for the place where the data is. Once you have that, press OK, and you will find a lot of information coming up. Now here you will see subtitles like sell, source, right, food, travel, and more. At the same time, we can see at the bottom we have imported 500 data set. You don't need to scroll up and down to get the information down. It can only be useful if you're looking for specific information, but we are not interested to do that now. Variable we have here is variable 1, it says drop name here, variable 2, subset, and the subset. Now an easier way to do is press view variable. Now you will come to a screen something similar to this every time. Now in order to make your box and whisker, we need two different type of information. One of them has to be numerical and the other has to be a categorical. So beside each of these variables we will have this C. C means it's a categorical, N means numerical. Categorical means like a name given or any kind of text, and then N means it's numerical. So looking at cell source, going back to this is your cell source and it's a text format, so it becomes categorical. and we go back and check. Right foot is n, numerical. Looking back, right foot, numbers, numerical. Okay, now there are two ways to draw this. One, we can maybe get one of these top menus, title, and drag it there. Now, or I could go to variable and look at what I have and hold again and drag it down. Same kind of information. Now here we have two bar graphs for both gender, female and male, and this is the proportion, the size. Now this suggests that females are more than the male set. How do we know what the numbers are? We'll get to that. Now I would like to concentrate. We have one categorical C. Now I need a numerical, so I'm going to drag down the height. Just curious, height of the two genders. Now box and whiskers has a minimum value. The lowest end is the minimum value. The quarter, that's your lower quartile, median, again median, upper quartile, both upper quartile, and the maximum values. Now we need to know the numbers, so we are going to go down in the bottom left of the screen and get summary. When you press that, you will get a window that has some information about this data set. So let's look at this first. Says your primary variable is a gender, and which is a factor, and then secondary height is numeric. There were a total of 500 people. Number omitted, oh, missing. Wow, there's 21 people missing. Now this could be a good reason to discuss when you're doing a discussion. So we are only going to use 479 people out of 500. Right, next thing is the females minimum is 100 centimeters. Males have a higher minimum of 115. Females lower quartile is 150, which is higher than the males lower quartile of 146. Males median for the male is 155, which is 3 centimeters less than the female of 158 cm. Upper quartile is for female is 165 and males is 169.8, which is 4.8 centimeters more than the female. Now this information, so looking at maximum of female is 185 and for male is 200. Mean is 155.7 for female and 157.2 for males. Standard deviation, we have done this in probability. Sample size, now if you remember in the beginning there were two green bars suggesting that the female's number was higher, as here they are 249 and male there 230. Now these numbers correspond to the values or mark on the graph itself. There is another step. Now this is a basic step. We'll have to go to a bit of advanced level, so please practice on this one and then we will see the next set.